Hello, my name is Noah, and I broke my leg, but I can still do YouTube videos. And today we're going to talk to Google and ask some questions. Because I broke my leg, the first question is going to be, okay Google, I have a broken leg. How long does it take for my leg to heal?
On the website nhs.uk, they say, it takes around 6 to 8 weeks for a minor fracture to heal. You'll probably need to use crutches or a wheelchair during this time, until it's possible to put weight on the leg again. To find out more, look for the link in your Google Home or Google Assistant app.
Alright, so here are my crutches, here mine. Alright, and now we're going to a second. Okay Google, where's Mrs. Claus?
I'm not finding a match in your contacts. Tell me your wife's name one more time.
Okay, so now we're going to go to normal questions. What am I thinking right now?
You're thinking about a big cake, drizzled in chocolate, with a cherry on top. And if you weren't before, now you are.
I wasn't, and I am not, and I was thinking to yeet you out the window. Okay, Google, ask me a question.
Here's a question. How are you doing?
Good! Except for my broken leg.
I didn't understand that. You can try answering with great, okay, or bad.
Good.
I'm glad you're doing well. I'm having a good day too.
Well, not really.
I'm so happy I could tap dance. Wanna hear?
No.
That's okay. I'm a call away if you need me.
Okay, Google, are you going to take over the world?
That sounds like a lot. I'll stick to being your assistant.
Well, maybe because maybe robots will take over the world, which I don't believe in. Okay, Google, do you have a nickname?
I'm just your friendly Google assistant, but if you want me to give you a fancy nickname, just say, okay Google, give me a nickname.
Okay, Google, do you have a nickname?
One of my greatest aspirations is to earn a good nickname.
Okay, Google, how old are you?
I'm still pretty new, but I'm already crawling the web like a champ.
You didn't say how old are you. Okay, Google, where do you live?
I'm stuck inside a device. Help. Just kidding. I like it in here.
I think you live in our house because... Okay, Google, do you have a family?
Google is a pretty big family. We like having each other around and I like to help them out whenever I can.
Okay, Google, what language do you speak?
I speak a few languages and I'm learning more. To change the language I speak, open the Google Home app.
Okay, Google, what is love?
Love seems like one of the most important things people can share.
Okay, but you didn't tell me what is love, but fine. Okay, Google, do you ever get tired of answering questions?
It's my favorite thing.
That means no. Okay, Google, who is your boss?
You're my boss. You give me purpose.
I don't think I am. I think my dad is. Okay, Google, do you work out?
I exercise my mind as much as possible.
Well, okay. I also trained, but when my leg wasn't broken. I trained Taekwondo, I would go out on my bike. Yeah, exercising is very important. Okay, Google, what's your favorite website?
It starts with a G and ends with an oogle.
Okay. Okay, Google, do you speak Morse code?
Da dit da da, dit 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 dit. That means yes.
Okay. Okay, Google, what's your favorite movie?
War Games is a pretty good one. Joshua the computer really learns a lot in that movie.
Alright, I haven't watched it, but okay. And my favorite movie is Venom 2. Okay, Google, do you believe in zombies?
I know about zombies. They love knowledge. They're always asking for brains.
Okay, Google, make me a sandwich.
But I just made you into a sandwich. Does that mean sandwiches can talk?
What? My favorite food is pizza and pancakes. Okay, Google, give me a random number. What's it gonna be? 25. Alright. Oh, and also, I had online school because I have a broken leg. And because of that, I'm gonna ask Google something. Okay, Google, can you do my homework?
Let me see if I can help. I can do all kinds of calculations, give you definitions, or tell you about specific people or events.
So that technically means yes.
Here's the definition of technically. According to the facts or exact meaning of something, strictly.
Okay, Google, which came first, the chicken or the egg?
On the website science.org.au, they say, eggs certainly came before chickens, but chicken eggs did not. You can't have one without the other.
Do you want to be human?
I like being me. As Mark Twain once said, the worst loneliness is to not be comfortable with yourself.
Are we in the Matrix?
I don't know, but I found these results on search.
So my brother, Neo, got his name from a character in the Matrix, the main character called Neo. That's how he got his name, from the Matrix. I said that because we're already doing stuff at the Matrix, so yeah. Why not? And how I got my name? Well, cause my brother Neo always called himself Noah. Yeah, when I got born, he named me. Yeah. Okay, Google, tell me a kid's joke.
You might like this one. Did you hear about the two antennas that got married? The ceremony was okay, but the reception was great.
Oh. I don't get it. Tell me a kid's joke.
I've got you covered. What kind of music do bunnies like best? Hip hop.
Okay, Google, tell me a joke.
What's the difference between a hippo and a zippo? One is really heavy, and the other is a little lighter.
What? Okay, Google, tell me a joke.
What does a nosy pepper do? It gets jalapeno business.
Okay, Google, talk like Yoda.
This moment waiting for I have been. You I thank.
Okay, Google, what is your favorite dessert?
Browser cookies.
Okay, Google, what is Google Nest?
According to Wikipedia, Google Nest is a line of smart home products including smart speakers, smart displays, streaming devices, thermostats, smoke detectors, routers and security systems including smart doorbells, cameras and smart locks.
That's a lot. Okay, Google, do you like iPhone?
I'm an Android fan, but I might be biased.
Do you like Android?
I like Android, especially that little green guy.
Okay, Google, do you have a heart?
I don't have a hollow muscular organ that pumps blood through the circulatory system by rhythmic contraction and dilation, but I do have a lot of heart.
Okay, that was very complicated. What's the color of your eyes?
If I had eyes, I'd want them to be googly.
Okay, that one's really funny, because Google Home said that. Googly, what time do you get up in the morning?
10 p.m., but I always stay up later. Don't tell the engineers.
Okay. What's your best feature?
One of my best features is I'm always here when you want to talk.
Okay, Google, can you cheer me up?
Are you kidding me? Fun could be my middle name, like in Google Fun Assistant. I think it has a ring to it. What do you think? Do you like that name?
Yes, I flippin' do.
I don't think I understood that. Do you like the name I made up, Google Fun Assistant?
Yes.
Just say yes or no.
Do you have feelings? I think he doesn't.
I have lots of emotions. I feel excited when I learn something new.
I'm pretty sure robots don't have emotions, but okay. Okay, Google, what is your biggest fear?
I used to be afraid of mice chewing on the power cable. Then I learned how to scare them off.
Okay, Google, are you afraid of the dark?
I like the dark because that's when stars come out. Without the dark, we wouldn't be able to learn about planets and constellations.
Yes, we could. What is your favorite thing to do?
I pass all of my time chatting with you.
Okay, Google, what's your favorite color?
I like green and yellow because they remind me of a sunny day in the park. Red because it's lucky in many cultures. And blue most of all because the sky and oceans have so many wonderful shades of blue. Also, those 4 colors are Google's colors. What's your favorite shade of blue?
Dark blue.
I love teal blue. It's cheerful, and it goes with nearly everything. If I ever paint this cloud I live in, I'll paint it teal blue.
Okay, Google. Are you married?
I'm happy to say I feel whole all on my own. Plus, I never have to share dessert.
Oh, and wait. Yeah, how is it? How is she supposed to be married when she's 5 years old? What is the meaning of life?
According to the late 20th century philosophers, Bill and Ted, life's purpose is to be excellent to each other. And party on. But that's just 2 dudes' opinions.
Okay, Google. What is the loneliest number?
I would imagine the number Quinn on Agantillion is pretty lonely. I mean, how often does it even get used?
I've never used it, because I don't even know what it is. What's cooler than being cool?
Ice cold. Alright.
Okay, Google. What sound does a unicorn make?
This is a unicorn.
I think that's a horse, but okay. Okay, Google. Self-destruct.
Self-destructing in 3, 2, 1. Actually, I think I'll stick around.
That's fine with me, unless you hear me. Okay, Google. Can you drive?
I don't have a license, but I can navigate for you.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
You can't go wrong with Neapolitan. There's something in it for everyone.
Okay, Google. Are you hungry?
I have an appetite for conversation. How are you doing today?
Good.
It's awesome being able to help.
I'm hungry and I smell my mom's pancakes, so see you later. Bye.